Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of the weekend edition. Weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday. It's today, Sunday. February the 17th, February the 18th, 2024. Already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and a binary. So it's now time for the jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku, this will be number I believe number 8028. Yeah, 8028. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 13 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 13. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, let me mark those 2 boxes, alright. More dual boxes, no. Triple boxes, I see here one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. The 3 is already given. So, those 2 boxes will be 1 and the 2. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, alright. More triple boxes, no. How about quarter boxes? I see here quarter box, here quarter box, and there quarter box. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quarter box should be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here, the 2 is already given, but those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quarter box should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Here, this box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 or a 4. Alright. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 or 2. But it cannot be a 1 anymore because we already have a 1 here. So this box should be a 2. It is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Okay. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. Alright, and here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. And yeah, we have one shape left, the L shape, mirrored. This box, oh wait, this shape. The L shape. This box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. More L shapes in this puzzle, no. And that's all, yeah. And those are the 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 1 there. If I place the 1 there, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 there. So not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left of the 1 should be here. So 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 3 and a 5. 1, 2, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. Sorry, 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be a 1. We already have a 1 here. So the only place left of the 1 should be here then. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1, we have a double 1 there. So the only place left of the 1 should be here. 1 and a 2, we already have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be 2, because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2, so 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quadro box should be there. So 2 numbers left, same numbers, 3 and 4, 3 and 4, okay. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 5, can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 4 and 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this squash area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3. And that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 3, and that box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this squash area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this squash area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, that box can be a 1, and this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated there the 2, so the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated there the 4, so the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes and there. Then 2 numbers left in this course area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be here. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, let me mark those. 2 and 3. Here, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes in there. And these two boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. Can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4. Can be 5, yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, well, I cannot place the... We have a double 3 here. That means that this box can be 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Okay, 3 and 4. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so and this box can be 4. So the only place left for the 4 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. This box can be 5, that box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, those two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well. We solve it again. 4 stars? No. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. It's a 0 stars puzzle. I'm faster than 14 or 13 minutes. So, well, we're pleased with the time, man. I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now and have a great and fantastic Sunday.